Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
A very good morning, dignitaries on the dais and all gathered here. On a celebration of this joyful day of our children, I deem it my proud privilege to introduce Mrs. Sumana Bhatt, Headmistress, Government High School, Kalya, the chief guest of today's program. Mrs. Sumana Bhatt is born to the couple of Mr. Prabhakar Rao and Mrs. Rama Devi. She completed her primary education in Idu Sri Mujallaya School and in Government Primary School Naravi, high school education in Government High School Naravi, PUC in Jain PU College and BA degree in Sri Davala College, Mudavidri. In 1985, she completed her B.Ed education in St. Anne's College of Education and she started her teaching profession in Government High School, Nellikar. In 1993, she relocated to Government High School Karaya, Beltangadi and served for 4 years as an in-charge headmistress and stalwart for the overall development of the school. In 1998, she is transferred to Government PU College, Bajagoli and served for 4 years as a high school teacher. In 2008, she is pursued ME in Economics from Mysore University. In 2012, she got promoted for the post of headmistress and started to serve in Government High School, Kalya. Mrs. Sumana Bhatt is not only a district resource person for the English subject but also for some of the organizations such as Sri Dharmasthala Rural Development Program, etc. She has delivered an awareness speech on religious teaching, personality development, leadership training and the responsibilities and the role of mothers in de-addiction camp. Classical music, short poem writing, etc. are her field of interest. We are truly elated to have you, a Mistress Madam. Your presence has doubled our joy. Thank you.
Let me now call upon our next chief guest, Mrs. Sumana Bhatt, to express her view.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. A person who carries along with him his childhood never becomes older. A very good morning to everyone. Happy Children's Day to everyone. Respected President of this function, respected President of this institution and all the office bearers of this institution and all the principals of this institution and all the dear dignitaries and chief guests and all my dear parents and all my beloved children. Really, we feel happy on this day because it is the Children's Day. We all know that it is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the former Prime Minister of India, who was dearly called as Chacha Nehru. He had an immense love on children. He had a strong notion that children are the real means of positive development of a country, which will lead to the prosperity of a nation. He loved children and that's why we call him Chacha Nehru. Really, today's day is a very significant day on the part of our children. We all know that the children are the assets of the nation. They are the true builders of a nation. They are the sun, S-U-N. They have every potential, and all the children are unique in their own way. Children are like birds in the garden. We have to nurture them, we have to look after them with utmost care and affection. As I have already told, children are unique. They are always engaged in some work or the other. It is the day which tells that each and every citizen should be aware of the giving the right to the children to get education. Really, it is a very important day. The children have to be empowered with good education. It is the duty of each parent to make them a glittering personality in the society. Apart from the digital education nowadays, the children should be engaged with the parents and the family members with fun activities like playing indoor games, solving puzzles, doing yoga, exercises, bhajana, and doing some work with mother or in the garden. Let them be engaged. It is the duty of each and every parent to make our children engaged in good works, because building good character is the duty of each and every parent and also the teachers. We should develop good qualities in them, we should develop good virtues in them. It is the duty of both the parents and the teachers. But COVID-19 pandemic has twisted all the things. It has brought many changes in each and everyone's life. Children should think positive, and they should be optimistic. It is the duty of we, the parents and the teachers, to make them to think positive. They may not succeed sometimes, but they have to remember two things. Failure is the stepping stone of success, and success goes to those who dare and act. Children have to remember these things every day and every minute. Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitramih vidyate. This is the popular saying. Knowledge is the most powerful thing in this world. Children should solicit knowledge. They should read something good apart from digital education. They have to be motivated by our parents and the teachers, because they are the true builders of nation. It is in their hand, the future is in their hands. They have to be made engaged, because an active mind never gets inactive. It is always engaged. An engaged mind is always active. An active mind leads to physical and mental and all-round health of a child or a person. So, let us hope this COVID pandemic ends soon. Let us hope the coming moment, let us be with children with the virtual classes. May God bless all of us, all our children, to build a bright future. May I conclude my views with two wishing songs. ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಬರಲಿ, ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಬರಲಿ, ಎಳೆಯರ ಹೃದಯದ ಬಾಳದಿಗಂತದಿ ರವಿಯು ಮೂಡಿ ಬರಲಿ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಬರಲಿ, ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಬರಲಿ. Another song, a few lines of a song. ಸಾಗಲಿ ಗುರಿ ಸೇರಲಿ, ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಗುರಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಆ ಗುರಿ ಸೇರೋ ಛಲ ನಿಂದಿರಲಿ. ಆಗುವುದೋ ಹೋಗುವುದೋ ಎಂಬ ಅಳುಕು ದೂರಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಸಾಗಲಿ ಗುರಿ ಸೇರಲಿ. Let's all hope all the best to all the children of the world and our nation. Thank you for this opportunity.